All right, here's how we're going to assemble these catapults. First, you got your base piece with your drilled holes on both sides. You got your long arm with the dowel rod holes already drilled. You got your struts with the screw holes drilled and the dowel rod holes. You got your 3 dowel rods, you're going to need a screwdriver, and you're going to need 4 screws that are 1 1/4 inch long flathead. And don't forget the cup, and yes, you will add the rubber band later. First thing is attaching the struts to the base. So what you want to do, take your base piece, go ahead and open up the table vise. Make sure it is sitting nice and flat. Then tighten it so it can't go anywhere. Then you're going to take your strut piece, align it with the holes that you drilled. Okay? Now you don't have to hold 2 pieces at once. Take a screw, add it or insert to the drilled hole, take the other screw, also have it there. That way you're prepared. Use your Phillips head screwdriver. And twist to the right, right tight, left loose. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's the old phrase. Now, some people will actually do a trick where they will add the screws to just have a little bit poking out the end there so you can easily align it with the piece you're attaching, in this case your base piece. Simple, easy, down and attach. You don't want to over tighten because it could crack the wood. It could also twist the piece to not be level and aligned with the base bottom. The base piece's flat bottom part. You want the strut and the base to be aligned. Now, you got one side, take the base piece out, flip it, tighten again, and repeat the process. Make sure it fits, attach. Could you use a power tool for this? Yes, but the power tool could easily split the wood as you're attaching the screws to the pieces. You can always remove the screws if you need to, if you mess up, or if you crack the wood and need to start over. Don't just throw out pieces that you could use. Okay, now you got your arm piece. You're going to attach it to the base by first making sure you take the dowel rod hole at the bottom, which should only be a short distance from the bottom, and you're going to attach the dowel rod through both the struts and the arm. And you want to make sure that it fits and aligns. Sometimes the ones we drilled doesn't always perfectly align. You might have to restart. And you might have to use a little bit of control so you don't snap it to attach at the bottom. And there you go. Now you attach the other dowel rod. This is the dowel rod that is for stopping the arm from falling all the way forward. There will be an attachment piece we add later. And there you go. You would then glue your cup with a hot glue gun right there. And then you will attach the rubber band to your catapult. Sorry about that. And it goes here. Pay attention. You can always attach the cup after. It goes around the back and attaches on the other side. And that is on the stopping dowel rod. And there you go. Super easy.